this product spotlight, I'll be introducing you to the Ink Expert's Easy Refill bottles. Now these little guys are an absolute godsend. No more syringes and needles to top up your printer, which is an absolute mess. So all we do is we remove the outer cap, pop that to one side, and then remove the inner cap. We then take one of our sublimation inks, whichever brand you're using. We always recommend Sublinova. Unscrew that and pour the ink straight into the Easy Refill bottle. Once full, reapply the inner cap and screw this down tightly to seal the bottle. And then the outer cap loosely screws on to prevent any contaminants from getting into the ink bottle.